top of the morning, top of the night, top of the evening, whenever you watching this goddamn video, was good. You feel me? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I haven't been on here in a hot minute. I haven't showed my face in a while, actually. You know what I'm saying? Today, we're actually gonna pick my car up from the shop. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know a month ago, my car got in an accident. You know what I'm saying? Little weather conditions, front end damage. It wasn't nothing crazy to where it was like 22K in damage. It wasn't nothing like that. It was just small front end damage. Bumper got messed up, hood got messed up. So about a month, I've been driving a rental. You know what I'm saying? I've been driving a big ass pickup truck. I felt white, honestly, and I love the shit out of this pickup truck. But it's time to give it back. So now we're gonna head over, get this shit filled up. You know what I'm saying? I can see big ass GMC. Fucking love it. Imagine I just like, I bought a GMC. Right? That would have been a fire ass thumbnail. But either way, we're gonna drop this shit off. We're gonna pick my baby up. You know what I'm saying? We gotta talk a lot about my baby girl, because she has a lot of upgrades. And I can honestly tell you. If you follow me on the gram, if you follow my car page, actually, you probably seen me post a picture of it. If you don't follow me, then go ahead and follow my Instagram. Feel me? Link in the description. Whatever, all that goo up, right? So, we're about to get this thing filled up. We're gonna drop it off. We're gonna pick my baby up, all right? See y'all in about a couple of minutes. So, I had to pick the car up fast because I was gonna be late for work. Actually, I was late for work, and I couldn't record and everything, so I'm doing it right now, right? Y'all might hear a lot of background noise. I left my AirPods. But for the most part, the car is done for right now. I'm still waiting on 2 more pieces, and the shop's gonna put it on once it comes in. It should be between this week and next week. But for the most part, the car is sitting right here, and bro, I'm telling you, I love it. I'm in love with. I love this car even more now. Right? Let me just switch it over and show you. Boom. We got the RS3 style conversion kit for the bumper on my Audi S3. Now, I wanted this bumper for the longest, and I was like, yo, how am I gonna get the money to buy this bumper? Blessing in disguise. Like I said, I didn't want my car to get in an accident, but blessing in disguise, right? Instead of going OEM, I said, fuck it. We're going balls deep, conversion time. You know what I'm saying? The car looks amazing. The car looks way better than what it is. I'm just in love. I'm in love with this bumper, man. This shit looks so sexy. Now, what I will do, I'm definitely taking that front plate off. And I'm gonna put the silver rings back in. I don't like the black. The back got silver. I think the silver rings give it the pop I need. You feel me? So for the most part, once the car go back to the shop, we're gonna switch out that black ring for the silver one, and we're gonna take the plates off. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, I love this bumper, man. You know what I'm saying? I love this bumper, and I can't get over it. We got a lot of things coming for the car. It's just amazing. Let's talk about what happened, right? I was going home on a snowy night. Roads was pretty crazy. I was going down a slope to the hill. I lost traction, going 20 miles an hour. No brakes, no nothing, wasn't working, right? Slid through a light, hit somebody's quarter panel, they hit somebody. Damage came out to like 9K, right? I decided I'm not going OEM parts if I gotta fix it. If insurance is fixing it, I'm definitely not going OEM parts, right? So what I did was, I went to a shop that I know, and they did everything for me, ordered all the parts that I wanted, you know what I'm saying? So, since we're waiting on 2 more pieces to complete the front end look of this build, right? Then I gotta do the side mirrors, then I gotta do the spoiler I got on the back. I got everything at home, right? The tires, they just got delivered. We're gonna put some fresh set of tires on there. We're gonna spray the rims black for the time being as a temporary tire setup until I fully make my mind up on what I wanna do. I don't even wanna tell y'all this, but the car will be getting retuned real soon. Hopefully in the next 2 to 3 months for the summertime, or maybe earlier. I don't know yet, but for the most part, the car is looking amazing. I just wanted to give y'all this quick update. I haven't posted in a while. The reason was being I didn't have the car. I do post on Instagram a lot, so if y'all want to follow my Instagram, like I said, link in the description, man. Let's get Shayla right. Whenever the next 2 pieces come in, We're gonna drop her off so she can get updated again. I'll post a video when that's going down. But for right now, man, I appreciate everybody who watched this video, and let's get right for 2025, all right?
I just like the sound.